So I just generated some images using AI. And what if I told you that the humans in those images are not real? I mean, they don't exist. Let's take a look at some of the images. I generated these images using an AI called Midjourney, the Discord application, and my imagination. And it all begins with a / imagine prompt. Okay, so this is how Midjourney works. Midjourney is not an application and it can't function on its own. So it needs an application to work with, just like a spirit that needs a body for it to be able to function well. So what we need to do is to download our Discord application, and I know some of us are familiar with the Discord application already. Then we'll head over to the Midjourney website, which is www.midjourney.com, and with that we connect our Midjourney to our Discord. I'll put you through the process step by step, but the very first thing for you to do is to download your Discord, register, and pass your verification. Yes, you might be asking yourself, why do I need this? You can use this to create amazing wallpapers. You can use this also for your brand to avoid copyright claims. You can use this for so many things. You can use this to bring your imaginations to reality. For example, I have never seen a white man pounding yam in the moon and backing a baby, but with Midjourney I can actually make this real imaginations come to reality. So let's just get started. So the first thing is to go over to our Discord app, and after verification, it brings us to this particular interface. Here we have the Discord icon, we have the animated exclamation icon, and we have the server icon. And over here we have our username, as to which will be identified as in the dashboard. So where we have this animated exclamation mark is where we will have our channels icon. And okay, I think let us maximize this for a clearer view. Very good. So going to our browser, we have to go to our browser to connect Midjourney to our Discord app. So we go over our browser input box and input midjourney.com. Very good. So we have to just tap in on the first one, midjourney.com, and to connect our Midjourney to our Discord, we have to click on this join the beta, and it automatically connects our Discord to Midjourney. So we just have to accept this invite, and after accepting it, it brings out some jargons to prove that you are not a robot. So I just had to speed up that particular process. So you can see that our icon has been displayed there. So we put in our pronouns, and yes, I am African, so I'm going to click on the African, and voila, we have been accepted into the Midjourney AI. So over here we have, looking to the left, we have the rooms. We have rooms we can go into, and because we are using the free trial, we'll be going into a public room. So let's just go with newbie 21. Yes, we are into newbie 21. And something about a public room is that we have because it is free, we have so many people dropping prompts at the same time. So whenever we put in our prompt, we have to track it. And something about Midjourney AI is that it is going to highlight our prompts for us. And like I said earlier, we are using our imagination. So we'll be starting with the / imagine prompt, and we'll be inputting our prompt with it. So let's just go for something cartoonish. Let's just go for something cartoonish. So let's input the prompts. So a blue cartoon character with horns. I think that one should do. So just input our prompt, and Being our first prompt, we have to accept the terms of service, also known as the terms and conditions for it. Yeah, so let's just accept it. Very good. So now let's just go down to search for our prompts, and our prompt will be highlighted. So let's look for the highlighted prompts. Okay, not this, not this, not this. Okay, so this is it. This is our prompt. This is our prompt. So our prompt is being worked on. We have it 62% done. It's 62% done. So in, let's just say 3, 2, 1, 0, it should be done. So we have to track it again by going below. So this is our prompt. This is our blue cartoon character. So just click on it and enlarge it by opening it in browser to have a clearer view of whatever it has given to us. Yes, you all can see this. I mean, you all can see this. So here we have 4 frames. We have 4 frames, and if we decide that we want a particular frame, we can upscale the particular frame that we want. For, let us go with frame number 2. Let's try upscaling frame number 2. So we'll go back to our Discord app, and we have this U1, U2, U3, U4. The U there stands for upscale. So if you want to upscale the first frame, click on U1, U2, U3, and U4. But for us, we are upscaling the second frame. So let's just click on the U2 button, and it is going to appear as another prompt. The U2 that we clicked on is going to appear as another prompt. So let's go down. Yeah, we've seen the prompt. You can see upscaling image ash number 2 with a blue cartoon character. But while we're waiting for that, let's just input another prompt while we're waiting for that to be done. So let's just go for something realistic. Let's go for maybe like a black girl with a long wavy something like that. Okay, a black girl with a black wavy long hair, and I want this to be realistic as possible. So I'll begin with 8K ultra realistic. You can decide to go with 4K ultra realistic depending on what you want, or depending on what you are willing to try. So okay, our second frame for the cartoon character has been upscaled, so we can just click on it and we open in browser to have a clearer view. And yes, I think I like what I am seeing. Yes, so we can just choose to save this to our gallery. So you can save it by pressing your Ctrl S or your Command S and save it as you want, and it is going to appear in this downloaded button over here. So let's go back to our Discord app, as we have been notified that our second prompt is ready. So let's go down to track our black girl with the long wavy hair. Yes, I think I like what I am seeing. This looks so beautiful. I've never even seen it very well, but yes, it looks so beautiful. Oh my jeez, just look at it. Look at this, it looks so realistic. Like, if I was an hair vendor, I don't need to use anybody. If I was a startup, I don't think I have to use anybody's photo to display on my graphics, so nobody will come and sue me for copyright also. So I'll just use this and put it on my graphics to promote my business. So we can choose to upscale everything, but we'll begin with the first and second one. So let's go for U3, U4. Oh, I think someone just upscaled any of our photo, and this is to tell you that whatever photo, whatever image you are seeing on any public room, you can choose to upscale it yourself, and you can choose to upscale it yourself. So while we're waiting for that to upscale to, we are going to input another prompt to it, and let's go for something different. No, not really something different. Let's go for something different. Yes, a dog flying in space. I want this to be hyper realistic because I haven't seen any dog flying in space before, but I want this to bring my imaginations to a reality. Okay, so we've done that already. Now let's check for our upscaled photos, images rather. Sorry. So yes, this is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. Look at how beautiful it is, and it looks so realistic. So we'll just go over to save this. We don't want to waste time, and we go back to our Discord app. We check for the second one. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, got you. We'll open this in browser also. Then we'll save it straight up because we don't need to waste time on this. So it has been downloaded already. So back to our Discord application. Let's check if our fourth, this should, okay, the third prompt is ready. Yes, look at bingo. Bingo, look at bingo flying in space. So let's upscale. Let's open this in browser. I mean, just take a look at this. Just take a look at this. It looks so real. This looks so real. So let's just go back to our Discord. We won't be saving anything from this, but we can choose to like make a variation. And something about variation, okay, let's just make a variation for the fourth frame. And variation is no much of a difference, just maybe like a little change in the color, just add a little filter to whatever frame you choose. So let's just input another prompt and let's go with something different. Let's go with a logo. Yes, let's go with, shall I say, a black and white themed automat logo. Yeah, a black and white themed auto AUTOMART logo. And what this to be minimalistic as possible and at the same time hyper realistic. Minimalistic means something maybe between the black and the white, neutral colors in general. So let's just wait for what it is going to bring for us. Okay, I think it's up there. Yes, just look at this. I mean, we can just take it in and we can just upscale any frame we really like in this and send it to our graphic designer that, okay, I want you to create a logo for me. I want it exactly like this. Just input my details, my brand name to it, and we are all good to go. Good to go, good to go, good to go, sir. So okay, yes. Okay, yes, it is. We are upscaling the third one already. So as usual now, we have no time to waste. So we're going for another prompt, which is this. Okay. Yeah. At the roadside and hyper realistic. Hyper realistic. Very good. We are good to go. We are good to go. So I just wanted something different. I just wanted something different in this. You all Avatar lovers. Is it Avatar or Naruto? Yes. Avatar and Naruto lovers. Who is this lady in pink? Oh, this looks like a man in pink. But I think I love the third and fourth frame. This didn't really give me what I want, so I'll just be going back and let's go for another thing entirely. Let's go for something different entirely. What can I think of? What can I think of? Should we do a pencil portrait? Or okay, I think I love this. I love this, but let's copy this prompt. I think I love this prompt. We'll copy this prompt and input it in our chat box, and but we'll just tweak it a little bit because let's tweak it a little bit to something red or gold. So we'll just paste this young teenager IT programming blue green color. Okay, we can just delete the blue green and we'll input our red gold color theme to it because I really love the image itself. Very good color. Yeah, delete the avatar and yes, let's see. You can see that it is going to bring up something kind of similar to the green image we had over there. So let's just track it. Yes. This is beautiful. Like, this is beautiful, and it's so similar to its original image, even though we tweaked a little bit. So beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love this. I really love this. So, not to waste more time, we'll go back to our Discord app, and I want us to do something different. Not really, really different, but different this time. So, as usual, imagine prompts. IMG. Yeah, IMH. And I want us to do something like maybe like a portrait, a pencil portrait. Let's see what it is going to display for us. A pencil portrait of a lost girl with tears in her eyes. I think I prefer this one. With tears in her eyes. Realistic. Yeah. So let's just wait for this, as this will be our last prompt that I'll be giving it. So you can input anything in your imagination. You can input complex things into this, and it is going to at least deliver to an extent for you. So our pencil portrait is ready. Let's see what it has to give us. I actually like this. I know it's kind of weird, but okay, let's open it out in browser to see. Man, this is beautiful. I love this. Like, it's it really displayed the whole information I gave it. A lost girl with tears in her eyes, and boom. So that will be all for this video. Let's go over all images we've done. Yes, 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 yes. We have this. We have this also. We have this frame. We have this pink lady also. We have this programmer also. We have this pencil. So thank you all. See you next time. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Bye.